In a network-based purchasing system, the users will normally have different levels of responsibility and authority. In AutoGen, this is controlled centrally by assigning what we call network authority to the different workstations on which AutoGen is installed. In this system, an employee can have any combination of 5 authorities: printing, data entry, requisitioning, purchasing, and approval. The AutoGen Network User Administration utility allows the AutoGen administrator to assign an authority level to each computer that will run AutoGen on the network. This software tool is intended to be installed only on the AutoGen administrator's computer. To assign workstations, open the administration tool from the Start button. AAS Software, AutoGen Purchasing, Network Tools, Program Group. Select Database. Open. To administer the latest batch of client workstations. Before adding a new workstation, go to Options, Default Authority, and check each of the things that most computers on the network would reasonably be allowed to do. For example, most employees will be able to create purchase orders, purchase requisitions, input new product data, and print documents. Only one, or a very select group of employee workstations, will have the authority to approve purchase orders. Now, when we click the button that looks like a plus sign, a new, empty record is created with the default authority profile selected. Enter the employee's name. For example, Mary Jones, in the research department. Perhaps you want Mary to be able to create purchase orders, but she can't approve any purchase orders, nor can she add employees to the authorized purchasers database. Enter Mary's software serial number, which was noted at the time the AutoGen client was installed on Mary's machine. For future reference, it may be useful to enter one or more comments about Mary's responsibilities as it relates to purchasing. If the license code was received by email or generated somewhere else, the company name and license code can be entered here. This is optional and unnecessary if the license code has already been input into Mary's software. Click the button that looks like a check mark to save this administrative action. Please note, any workstation on the network that has not been administered by this utility will have complete purchasing authority by default. Every workstation should be administered very soon after its AutoGen network client is installed. If you forget to administer each network client, it could turn out that the employee with the least seniority in the company, whose only responsibility is to enter product data into the database, will find herself with the same purchasing and approval authority as your company's purchasing director and your chief financial officer.